how to properly navigate a difficult intersection. Interesting traffic rules test for skillful drivers. It is necessary to determine which car should pass the intersection first. And in this test, it is necessary to understand how to turn around without breaking the rules. The conditions are as follows. At the depicted intersection, the drivers of the red and green cars intend to turn left and the driver of the blue car to turn around. Answer options. 1. Blue car, red car, green car. 2. Green car, blue, red. 3. Blue car, green, green, blue again, red. 4. Red car, green, 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 blue. 5. Blue car, green, green, red. Situation analysis. The red car is on a secondary road. Sign, give way. The blue and green cars are on the main road. Sign, main road, with the sign direction of the main road. The driver of the red car will definitely pass the intersection last. Drivers of blue and green autos must follow the obstacles on the right rule. At the intersection of equal significant roads, the driver of a non-relay vehicle is obliged to give way to vehicles approaching from the right, except for intersections where a traffic circle is organized. This rule should be guided among themselves and the drivers of streetcars, according to the paragraph of the traffic rules. Problem solution. The driver of the blue car enters the intersection first, because he is moving on the main road and at first has no obstacles on the right. However, during U-turn, he finds himself in a situation when a green car approaches from the right and has to give way to it. The green car passes, after which the blue car completes the maneuver. The driver of the red car is the last to cross the intersection. Correct answer, number 3.